right side here, back right, and leave plenty of room. Don't worry about blocking a couple spots. I only have room.
I think they're doing it outside.
What?
Or somewhere else.
Three motors. There's the gas station.
Yeah.
The gas pump right there is blocked by a bolt-in. Right there, so guess it's EV'd. Get it? Instead of iced, it's EV'd.
Okay. Slide over. We can watch the whole process being done. Does it have the Hummer logo on it?
There's a Hummer right here. This should be exactly what you have in it.
Yeah, I think it's the correct one.
The camera that's hooked up, how do you remove windshield with all that hooked up
There's a plastic
cover?
Yep, that goes around it, and then there's just this kind of unclipping from the glass. He is seasoned. He's been doing this for a long, long time. He said that it's his first electric one.
One problem I don't trust with these is the plastic clips are stronger than the plastic.
Really?
Sometimes they're a pain to get off, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay. Basically, you have to remove that to remove the windshield?
Yeah, both of these sides, because you have to remove the cowl, the windshield wipers, to get to the bottom part of the windshield.
This is just stuff in the windshield. That was like an abrasive, so the urethane adheres to it better. This is just the beta clean that you use. It's safe to use where the urethane is going to be.
And it's glass, right? It's not plexiglass, right?
It is glass. I believe it has a piece of plastic between them. Yep, for safety. So it stays together.
If it shatters.
Yeah, pieces aren't, breaking off.
You didn't have to disconnect anything, right? Power or anything?
Everything we're doing has nothing. I mean, the camera has power to it, but we didn't unplug anything. We just pulled it away from the windshield. So everything we're doing has nothing.
Oh, I see.
To remove power.
We're new to this, so that's why I was just asking questions.
Not me. I just hit 10 years off doing this stuff.
Is this your first Hummer EV?
EV, yes.
He was telling me that you've done other Hummers before, so you're seasoned to do Hummers.
Older ones, I mean, they're all kind of the same. I mean, every windshield's the same. It's all cut out, glue in, cut out, glue in.
Yeah.
As far as taking stuff apart, right, cameras, most of them are different, how they go on and off the windshield. Yeah, other than
But
that,
GM makes it where it's easy, right?
yeah, just slide that one. There's just a little pull pin on a bracket, and the whole thing slides right off the windshield.
Oh, neat. That's good. I like their engineering. It's amazing, their engineering.
Yeah, this thing's
Yeah. They call it a super truck, and I really think it is a super truck. You know, it can do everything. Not only can it go fast, it's also unconvertible. You get the best of both worlds. But you have the capability of a truck. You could go off-roading, so it's like everything all rolled into one. I always say to my husband, it's an engineering marvel.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I mean, as far as being an EV compared to a regular Hummer, I mean, I noticed that there's no motor there. As far as like anything I have to do with it, it's all the same.
Did you want it to close the front trunk?
Just a little bit, though. I didn't want to close the whole.
You can customize it.
So what I'm gonna do is set the settings on the frunk so that the tech can manually adjust it.
Show him where the button is.
That might be off because there's no power. Oh wait, no. You gotta get ready to hit the button. Alright, hit the button.
Hit the button again.
There you go. So that's what you have to do. So you have to press it, it'll start, and then you press it again, it'll stop.
About the clips. Yeah. These things, they just build them so strong.
Oh, the yellow clip?
Yes.
starting to loosen. That's cool. Yeah, they put a lot of glue at the factory.
Yes.
Yeah. It looked like rubber cement.
Something like that. That's the easiest way to describe it.
Yeah. They're almost done.
I know.
It's not that easy, huh? It's a lot of work. They really put a lot of seal on that. They made sure it was on tight.
Yes, it doesn't.
I guess yeah, that's true. It's the way the windshield's angled.
Yes.
They have to make sure it doesn't leak. So now that it's been replaced and everything, does one of GM techs have to recalibrate it or anything?
I'm gonna.
Oh, you're gonna. Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Yep, my software's up a date enough.
Like this, does the sensor know something was changed or something was altered?
Well, what it is when you replace the windshield, it changes the depth because you know your thickness of your glue. So all it's doing is recalibrating to the new windshield for depth or angle. It might be changed.
Oh, I didn't know that. And how do you calibrate that?
We hook a computer into it that reads your computer, reads the lines off the road to tell it where the camera to move to recalibrate it.
You mean the rear camera?
No, this one right here. Yeah, it's got one right here in the windshield.
The built-in front camera.
Yeah, one that usually squawks at you probably or vibrates you when you're getting close to the yellow line.
Oh, so now that's an extra step that you have to take with the newer cars coming out with the front camera.
Yep.
But back then, you didn't have to do that step.
Yeah, it was just get in and go. Yep, this has a bar that'll read as we go. We'll slowly move up as a blue line.
And then it fills in. Okay.
Yep. We'll fill in all the way up to 100%.
Oh, okay.
So what this is looking for, it's going to look for, say, 40 miles an hour plus. Usually I take a left and head down 7 that way.
Okay.
Usually they calibrate by the time I hit 103.
Oh, okay.
That way you can read both sides of the lines
Oh, good.
to know where the car's centered in the road.
Mm-hmm. And stupid question, but do the visual calibration systems require clear day and a certain temperature, or they have a range of temperature they'll work in, or weather conditions?
As far as driving,
Yes.
they don't like it raining.
Okay.
Therefore, they still calibrate in the rain though.
Mm-hmm.
First, inside calibration, the lighting has to be right. You can't have a glare. So, as you can see, the further we're going, the quicker it's going.
It's going. Okay.
Sometimes these calibrate in a minute.
Oh,
Sometimes it takes 10 minutes.
Is there a visible indicator besides the forward collision that will let me know the calibration is finished here, or do I need to have a dongle and a computer hooked up to know the BP's sensor?
I mean, pretty much one thing it's going to show you is right there on the dashboard.
Oh, okay.
You'll get a little ding ding, and then that light will go out. As you can tell right now, it's not working because it's recalibrating. Yep. But we're at keep on trucking.
Oh, it's off now. Oh, okay. Lane keep assist is on and calibrate now.
Yep. Now it's asking us to pull up when you can get to a safe stop.
Okay, the rest area.
Yeah, to shut the ignition off.
Do most systems that are modern do the same thing?
Bless you.
Where it asks you to turn it off and reset to get restarted?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Got a camera back there?
Yeah.
That's cool. I like that better.
GMC, Chevrolet, a lot of their vehicles have the rear camera module, which is very useful because if you're carrying things inside of an SUV or
You can't see through it.
camping,
No, I
or
agree
you put a
100%.
bike rack, you're out of luck.
Or if you have 3 people sitting across the back, you're just staring
You're
at
out
the
of
head the
luck.
whole
Yeah,
time.
Exactly.
No, I like that a lot better.
Yes. Eliminates the 3 heads in the back.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
All right, hands off. It's good.
Yeah, we're done.
Okay.
So when it was calibrating, the lane keep assist won't work.
Correct. Because
Okay.
it's relearning its system. Once
It's
you
okay.
replace your windshield, like I said, you're changing the angle maybe a little bit, you're changing the depth a little bit, so it's going to throw your camera off.
Oh,
So
I
now
see.
with us recalibrating it, it's setting it back to, know what it's doing and know where it's got to
So
go.
once that blue line on your
Yep.
screen reached the end, that's the calibration's finished?
Yep, it's all done.
Oh, neat.
Good for tight parking lots in normal mode. And then terrain mode gives you like 1.2 more degrees to turn, so you can really make some tight turns.
I guess so, you can feel it.
Yeah,